So is AI really going to replace so many jobs, or is it just like another bubble? So let's discuss. I'll tell you with an example. So imagine you have a hotel and you are having some 10 employees. So two cooks, maybe two people who are washing dishes, two people who are serving the people, maybe three, four people here and there who are arranging you all the vegetables, fruits, whatever, dishes, everything. So imagine that is your setup, and to the maximum you can serve 50 people per day. So now here comes AI. AI is nothing but automation, right? So you bought a couple of maybe one dishwasher, you don't need more than that. So instead of two dishwashers, people who are working, now you need only one person. Just he has to put the dishes in the machine, it will clean itself. So similarly, you have done some other automations where it has released 3 to 4 people, and now not here it's not about people who are losing the job. You got so much time, you got so much machinery which can do far more work than the people, right? So you can even serve, forget about 50, maybe you can serve 500 people also. And along with that, you to serve 500 people, you need so many other servants, right? Like maybe you need again people to clean the dishes, maybe to arrange the dishes back to the racks and all. The person who lost the job, he may have not actually lost the job. Instead of cleaning the dishes, now he is putting the dishes back to the shelves. And again same thing, to serve the people you need so many people. Two people are not enough to serve 500 people, right? So not only that, maybe you can open another branch since you have got so much time now, because the machinery has reduced so much of manual work. So you open another branch, maybe one more branch. So similarly it will keep on improving your life, quality of life, even business. So many things. So in that aspect, AI is not going to replace jobs, it is just going to change the way the work is happening. So if you understand that, there is going to be no panic. Instead of panic, you are getting new opportunities. Maybe it will increase your salary, your exposure, everything. So there are going to be so many things uh, that will change the world. So I hope that is what is going to happen. So what do you think? Like, is it going to be the way which we discussed, or is it going to be the other way around, where it is completely erasing humans from the jobs and just I don't know, just replacing with AI agents or some other new robots or whatever it is? So I don't think so, because we have seen so many evolutions. We have survived so many world wars itself, and we are here. We are still surviving, and somehow we are living, right? We are trying to find a way out of every every difficulty we got. We are turning them into opportunities. So similarly, this is also another opportunity that you can convert it into and make yourself far better person than who you are right now. So what do you think? Is it like make sense? Does it feel correct, or is it in wrong perception? So do let us know in comments. So I'll see you around.